Most people think of airports as places built for passengers with crowded terminals and long lines. But a massive part of global aviation happens behind the scenes. Air cargo moves everything from electronics to high-value components across continents. And in this world, speed and reliability matter far more than comfort. Quietly, Hong Kong International Airport has become one of the most important hubs in this system. For years, Hong Kong has ranked among the busiest cargo airports in the world, handling enormous volumes of freight every day. This dominance is not accidental, and it is not simply because of geography. While Hong Kong sits next to one of the largest manufacturing regions on the planet, other airports are even closer, yet they have not reached the same level of global importance. Southern China produces a huge share of the world's goods, especially electronics and time-sensitive products that require fast delivery when speed matters. Companies turn to air freight, and Hong Kong is positioned right at the edge of this production zone. Goods can move from factory floors to aircraft within hours, creating a natural advantage that supports high cargo volumes. However, location alone does not create a global hub. What truly sets Hong Kong apart is how efficiently cargo moves through the airport. From the moment an aircraft lands, ground operations are optimized to minimize delays. Cargo is unloaded, processed, and reloaded quickly, allowing aircraft to depart again with minimal turnaround time, which is critical for airline efficiency. Another key factor is customs. In many airports, shipments are delayed by slow or unpredictable clearance processes, which can disrupt entire supply chains. Hong Kong has built a reputation for fast and reliable customs handling, often clearing cargo within hours. This level of predictability is essential for businesses that rely on precise delivery schedules. Reliability builds trust, and that trust attracts airlines and logistics companies. As more carriers operate cargo flights through Hong Kong, the airport gains more routes and connections. This creates a powerful network effect, where increased connectivity draws even more traffic, reinforcing Hong Kong's role as a central hub in global logistics. Passenger flights also contribute to this system. Many wide-body aircraft carry cargo in their lower holds, adding capacity without increasing the number of dedicated cargo flights. This means that even passenger operations support the cargo network, strengthening Hong Kong's position without requiring additional infrastructure. For freighter aircraft, beyond the airport, the surrounding infrastructure plays a major role. Hong Kong is supported by advanced logistics systems, including ports, highways, and cross-border trucking routes. Cargo can move seamlessly from factories in southern China to the airport, creating an efficient end-to-end supply chain that is difficult for competitors to replicate. Despite these advantages, competition is growing. Airports in mainland China, such as Guangzhou and Shenzhen, are expanding rapidly, offering closer proximity to factories and potentially lower operating costs. These hubs are investing heavily in cargo infrastructure and may gradually capture a larger share of the market over time. The challenge for Hong Kong is whether its strengths in efficiency, reliability, and global connectivity can continue to outweigh these emerging competitors. For now, it remains one of the most important cargo hubs in the world, not because it is the cheapest or closest option, but because it consistently delivers speed and predictability. Every day, thousands of tons of cargo move through Hong Kong, supporting global trade in ways most passengers never notice. The airport's success is built on a combination of geography, infrastructure, and trust, and while its position is strong today, the future will depend on how well it adapts to a rapidly changing logistics landscape. If you want more aviation breakdown like this, consider subscribing our channel.